There are a lot of battery cases for the iPhone X, but Mophie is the Kleenex of charging cases, and so far it has not delivered anything other than wireless charging bases for Apple's flagship. Well, it looks like it's going to change. A list of products in the Wireless Power Consortium as seen in Apple Insider has just appeared for a new iPhone X case from Mophie. It's part of the Juice Pack airline, and it looks like the Mophie wireless charging case for the iPhone 7 Plus, except it has a different camera hole. Only for reasons of clarity, this case is classified as a receiver, not as a transmitter. There are some load cases available for the iPhone X that charge the phone wirelessly, which seems terribly inefficient. The box has a 1720 mAh battery, which is supposed to add an additional 9 hours of talk time. The list also says that it is only compatible with version 1.1.2 of Qi and with a basic power profile of 5 watts, so you will not be able to take advantage of the quick charge with this case.